Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to begin with another kind of letter, that is letter of complaint. There are two kinds of letter of complaint. One is official and the other one is business. The official is somewhat like the letter to the editor, wherein you write to some officer, like the municipal officer, like the say deputy commissioner, etc., regarding some issue in the society, regarding some problem in the society, complaining about that problem, that particular problem in the society. But the other kind might be a new kind of letter to you, that is the business letter. As you can see on the screen, we have the format as is for the formal letter. We begin with sender's address. The arrow indicates that you have to leave a line. आपने arrow नहीं लगाना है line letter में. Arrow का मतलब है आपने यहाँ एक space, एक gap, एक line छोड़नी है. So sender's address, then the date, then the receiver's address as usual, subject in capitals, then the salutation, sir, then comes your body. And then the first paragraph begins where you have to write about, see, this complaint is of an item that you have recently purchased, or you had purchased say a month ago, 2 months ago, and you have to complain about that particular item. That is business. Okay. So in the first paragraph you write about the details of the item purchased. What is the item, when you bought it, from where you bought it. You will write about the model, the bill number, the model of the product, means the details of the product, which company it was. Say it was an LG TV, LG 32 inches smart TV. So this you have to write in the first paragraph, and you also have to mention the bill number via you bought the item. So this is your first paragraph. In the second, you're going to write about the technical complaints of that particular product. Technicality wise क्या complaints हैं आपको उस letter, उस product में. आपने second में ये लिखना है, at least 3 to 4 complaints आपको create करनी है कि इसका ये प्रॉब्लम है, इसका ये प्रॉब्लम है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल फॉर द टीवी यू कैन से कि पिक्चर क्वालिटी जो है वो काफ़ी ब्लर्ड है, स्टार्टिंग में काफ़ी दिन ठीक चला लेकिन उसके बाद ख़राब हो गया. साउंड इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट वर्किंग वेल. So this is what you can discuss about. So in the second paragraph, technical complaints at least 4, 4 ज़रूर आपको लिखनी है. And in the third paragraph, you're going to write down this language which may be standard, or you may give it your own expression. Since the dash item, since the product that you are complaining about is under warranty of itne days or itne months or itne years, it is still under warranty. So kindly replace it. If possible, अगर possible हो तो उसको replace किया जाए, or get it repaired within so many days. For failing which, I will be forced to move the consumer court. Now this paragraph, this third paragraph can be this very language, can be your own expression, can be anything that you want to finalize your letter with. And then of course you sign off thanking you. Y will be small in this page, Y is capital, which is wrong. Then it is yours faithfully and your name. So after this, today I am giving you a sample for some letter or some product for this complaint business, and then you will be writing one question on your own. This sample you're going to note down in your notebooks for today. Okay, dear children, take care. Bye bye.